Hey YouTube, Big Cat back with another video. Today I just bought a little someone's collection of Pokemon cards off eBay. Bought it for like 20 bucks. I think there's about like 350 or so cards in it, so we'll just kind of check over it real quick, see what we got. I've been just buying a bunch of loads of this. Probably start buying some booster boxes here soon. But for now I'm just going to stick with like little collections. Got a rare foil. I don't even know how to say that. Entei. These are just foil rares. Oh, here's a promo. I don't know what's up with this card. It's like bit up. Looks like here's some reverse foils. Like, it's nothing special. I bought it for like 20 bucks. I'd either buy this or just 4 booster packs of... I don't think there's any ultra rares in it. Card's messed up. I think it's just a bunch of bulk stuff. Stuff I could just add to my collection. For the most part, everything looks like it's in decent condition, except for that one card. Look like they're pretty brand new. I mean, yeah, they look good for the most part. A couple of them with whitening, but nothing too bad. I don't even know what's up with that. I think that's a McDonald's promo. I think that's what that is. So I think this is just bulk. I don't know if there's any rares in here, foils that we missed. This will just be a short video, it's nothing long. Maybe there's no rares in here. That's alright. Bought it for 20 bucks, so it's not like I want to go broke off of it. Maybe get some commons and uncommons that I can add to my collection. Fill up some sets. I don't know why people bin their cards up that bad. I have over 100,000 Dragon Ball Z cards and none of them are bent up like that. There might be whitening, but you won't see any with creases on them. These are all just commons and uncommons. Just kind of slide through it real quick again. Maybe there's some rares in here somewhere, but I guess I highly doubt it. Looks like it's mostly stuff from like 2014 to 2018. That's what I'm looking at. I think the earliest date I've seen is 2014. Some evolutions. Oh, 2012. I'm not sure what set that is. I'll figure out the sets as I go. Some energies. Care about that. Sorry for the background noise. Probably just end this video. You guys have a good day. Subscribe to the channel.